NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 8, Exercise 8.3, Question 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A, and tan A in terms of cot A. Let us start with writing tan A in terms of cot A. We know the reciprocal formula. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. And this is the answer. We have written tan A in terms of cot A. Therefore, tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Next, let us write sin A in terms of cot A. For this, we will use the identity 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Take square root on both sides. Then cosecant A is equal to root over 1 plus cot square A. We know that sin A is equal to 1 by cosecant A. Therefore, sin A is equal to 1 by cosecant A. We can replace it with root over 1 plus cot square A. Therefore, sin A is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus cot square A. We have written sin A in terms of cot A. Now, we shall write secant A in terms of cot A. We know that tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. That implies cos A is equal to sin A by tan A. And secant A is equal to 1 by cos A. That implies secant A is equal to tan A by sin A. We already know that tan A is equal to 1 by cot A and sin A is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus cot square A. Which when simplified becomes root over 1 plus cot square A by cot A. Therefore, secant A is equal to root over 1 plus cot square A by cot A. This is the representation of secant A in terms of cot A. To summarize, sin A is equal to 1 by root over 1 plus cot square A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Secant A is equal to root over 1 plus cot square A by cot A.